Hello viewers! I hope everything is okay. I'm James. Today I'm going to show you how to do a family favorite. Maestro! The spaghetti. The secret of making them spaghetti so good is to combine that sweetness and the saltness of the pasta. So without any delay, if you like spaghetti, check this out, starting with the ingredients. Find this video inspiring and made you feel good and somewhat help you how to cook this delicious spaghetti. And if you like this spaghetti and you have tried it, click the subscribe button. Yes, click the subscribe button here, there, the subscribe button. Click subscribe, click the bell, click share, and click like. Yeah, peace out.